Time to unbox the Fortress 26-gallon, 175 PSI ultra-quiet compressor from Harbor Freight. It's oil-free, pushes for 0.5 SCFM at 90 PSI, and best of all, it's way quieter than most shop compressors. Let's get it out of the box and check it out. I'm not gonna go into the assembly too much. Everything is pretty self-explanatory. Just put these to nuts and washers on to hold the hose holder. Don't over-tighten it, just a little crank will do it fine. Plug the compressor in and listen to her purr. The video makes the audio seem a bit louder than it does in person. Honestly, I can talk with my wife in the garage with no issues. I've had several compressors from big shop, 60-gallon tanks to small pancake tanks. This is definitely one quietest compressor thus far. The size is perfect for smaller space like my garage. I will keep you guys posted every few months on how she's holding up, so stay tuned.